Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL Classic for Boost Mobile. So the TCL Classic, I guess, recently got released to Boost Mobile. I recently seen this on Boost Mobile's website, so I figured I'd do a video on it here. So the TCL Classic is not a new thing by any means of the imagination. The TCL Classic's been out for a few years on different prepaid providers like Cricket and AT&T Prepaid. I did a video about that phone on these two carriers in 2024 and 2025, I think, or 2023, something like that. This will be my third time doing a video about the TCL Classic here. So it's available now for $39.99. Full retail price is $69.99. So $70 for retail price. It's currently has like a deal going on right now. If you're like a new customer or whatever, so it's available in the carbon black color. There's the frame right there, front and when the phone's open and closed. So yeah, y'all guys should know what this phone is all about. This phone's not new by any means. Phone's been out for a couple of years now on different prepaid carriers. So, yeah. So it has 8 gigabytes of storage. You can get device protection on it here. So that is when the phone's open and closed. There's the left side of the phone. Looks like a headphone jack and a charging port. Looks like it's Type C. Back of the TCL Classic is the TCL logo when its phone's closed, and speaker. Phone when it's closed, you have 2 microphones, and the back does come off to remove the battery and whatnot. So it's very cool. Right side of the phone, volume keys there. So yeah, that's the hands of the phone. When the phone's closed, you have a camera, your external display, which is colored, so it's very nice. When the phone's open right there, you guys got your buttons there. Your power button is your N key, so pretty much standard on that front on the flip phone. Right there it is, with it opened once more. There's your numeric keypad, there's your different buttons and whatnot. There it is, opened and closed once more. You can get this phone for $39.99 with the unlimited plus $50 plan or higher from Boost Mobile. For retail price is $69.99, or you can pay monthly for this phone, $12 a month with the firm. So you can pay monthly for it, which I don't know why you guys would, because $40 or $70 is easy to fork out for this phone if you guys are interested. So you have 3 different ways to get this phone. So if you're a new customer, you get this phone for $40. If you're an existing customer, I guess, you'll get this phone for $70. So yeah. So the TCL Classic has a 2.8 inch, that's the internal display, 2 megapixel camera, 14 hours of talk time, Android AOSP. So it has like a modified version of Android. I think it runs KaiOS, if I'm not mistaken. I think it runs that operating system. So it says stay connected to friends and loved ones using a familiar design with intelligent features with the TCL Classic. The dual displays allow you to stay updated and allow you to incoming calls and notifications, easily navigate the intuitive interface with using the large keypad with dedicated shortcuts. They should have done shortcuts, one word. I don't know why they did it like that. It's kind of weird. Enjoy clear calls with 4G LTE connectivity and HD voice functionality. Use the TCL Classic without word, thanks to the lasting battery. Okay. Alright, TCL Classic features. It says here, stay connected to friends and loved ones using a familiar design with intelligence. Features with the TCL Classic. I just read you guys that. There's a phone open and closed. There's the back of the phone right there. Retro look and modern the features. It says feel the familiarity of the TCL Classic with its storyback dual screen form factor. The external 1.44-inch display makes it easy to see who's scrolling and texting without opening the device, while the large internal 2.8-inch display allows you to see things more easily. Reliable performance. Take on your day knowing the TCL Classic is there to back you up. The long-lasting battery delivers up to 14 hours of 4G LTE talk time. There is no 5G on this phone, so if you guys are looking for 5G, this is not the phone for you. So you'll never miss a minute. And with up to 14 days of standby time, you can spend more time more enjoying life and less time tethered to an outlet. Essentially smart. The TCL Classic has the modern smartphone. Says the TCL Classic has the modern smartphone essentials without fuss, with quickly and easy access to your preferred email clients like Gmail or Outlook using the keypad shortcuts. Quickly find the answer to burning questions with the web browser or listen to your favorite tunes with the included music player. New age accessibility. Track it with you in mind. The TCL Classic makes navigating a smartphone a breeze with large print and easy to read tactile keys combined with a simple and friendly user interface. Use dedicated shortcuts to access your favorite contacts, email quickly, or see notifications so you can spend more time enjoying life and less time fiddling in menus. It's not a smartphone, but it does have some smartphone features. It has like all the basics and whatnot. Ease of use without compromise. Navigation is easy with the familiar design and the user-friendly interface filled with shortcuts to help you quickly access your favorite contacts, emails, and notifications, letting you spend more time on important items and less time searching through menus. All-around enhanced sound. Take calls and enjoy music without the extra effort with the TCL Classic AC voice functionality delivers crystal clear calls so you don't have to strain. A powerful speaker amplifies sound sound. This is what confuse me here. It says a powerful speaker amplifies sound, allowing you to go hands-free while still having involved in the conversation. Or connect your favorite pair of headphones. If you do have Bluetooth on those, so you can connect your Bluetooth headphones to this, and it should work just fine. Specs, it has a 2.8-inch QVGA internal display, 1.44-inch external display, 2-megapixel rear camera, the flash 1850 mAh battery, which is most likely removable, so that's nice. 8 gigabytes of RAM. 8 gigabytes of ROM, shit. 8 gigabytes of ROM, so 8 gigabytes of internal storage. MediaTek 6739 processor, Wi-Fi 8 802.11 BGN and Bluetooth 4.2. It has AOSP, so it's like a modified version of Android. Dimensions of, I guess that's when the phone is open, I guess, is, or it could be when the phone is closed, it does not specify. It says it's 4.22 inches height, 2.19 inches width, and 0.78 inches depth. The TCL Classic weighs 4.69 ounces. Other features include microSD card support up to 128 gigabytes, so take advantage of that. A headphone jack, a dual microphone, and noise cancellation. So, very nice there. And that's it. They don't show us what's in the box. So, yeah. So, there you guys have it. The TCL Classic is now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $39.99. If you guys are a new customer and you guys get the unlimited plus $50 plus, if you guys get the if you guys are a new customer, y'all guys get this one for $39.99. with a $50 unlimited plus plan or higher. If you're a current customer, it's $69.99 or $12 a month. But the phone, which paying monthly for this phone, is not even worth it because you can pay $70 for this phone full retail price and not have to worry about it monthly. So, yeah. So if you guys want to check this phone out, go ahead and check it out from Boost Mobile. Like I said, this phone's not new by any means. It's been out for a couple of years on different prepaid carriers, and I think Boost Mobile recently got this phone. So I figured I'd do a video on it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.